Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a quick review and feature overview on this Nexgrill that I bought from Home Depot. The part number is here. So it's pretty nice. It's kind of shiny right now because the sun's hitting it. It's got a little thermometer here. It is stainless steel. When you're putting it together, it's super easy. You do not have to put the lid together. It's pretty much, you just assemble the stand and put the top on, or like put the whole big ass top on, and then the two side things, and you don't have to do any plumbing of these knobs or anything. This you have to connect the knob. You have to like push this through and then connect the knob, so there's no like plumbing of gas, so it's really easy. Got a side burner here that discolored after one use, so don't expect that to stay shiny. I'm going to show you how easy it is to light. Turn your gas on. You're supposed to hold this while you turn the knob, but I just turn it on and then hit this igniter, and that's how easy it lights. I'll light the other ones, why not? Kind of a reach for this one. It's got a nice little rack here for warming your buns or vegetables. You can also put a pan over here to steam your vegetables. I like that. Everything looks pretty easily replaceable. Like, I don't know the part numbers yet for the elements, but they have a 5-year warranty according to the manual. One thing I don't like about it is that the front isn't a door. Like on some of the nicer stainless steel ones, the front's a door so you can open it and replace your propane tank. On this one, you gotta go in through the back or through the side, which isn't a big deal, but it's a negative. Other than that, for 150 bucks, pretty happy with it. At the end of this video, I'll put the time lapse of me assembling it with a friend. It took about an hour, plus I was like talking to my friend and we were hanging out, so we weren't really trying to speed and rush, but it's not that intimidating. Home Depot will assemble it for free if you buy it from them. You just have to like probably come back and pick it up, and we didn't want to do that, so we just took an hour and assembled it. And plus, I know everything was assembled right that way. Oh yeah, and you're gonna want to get a cover for it. This is the actual one we bought from Home Depot. Oh, and this thing on a chain that it comes with, that's for holding a matchstick. You put the matchstick right there so you don't have to burn your fingers when you reach in and light it with a match when this eventually fails. There's actually just a AA battery in here that you replace. It's pretty easy. So thanks for watching.